You did. You were big.
I go now. I think they're not hungry right now. Oh, yes, they are. Oh, that puppy likes his lunch.
Kel, do you want to hop in here, maybe show them where their food is?
Hey, puppy, your food is right
Can you get
there. Puppy, food. Puppy's food right there. Hey, can I get in?
Let's let Kale do it this time. Because they're just brand new. You can put a little on your fingers and there you go.
Oh.
Now they know.
Wow, they like that. Hey, can I get in too?
You can. See if we can lift you in there.
Hey, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Want me to open this so Tai can get in?
Can you lift him over?
No, I don't want anybody to lift me over.
Okay. Well,
Yes, the puppies are distracted.
The puppies are a little afraid of the food.
you think?
The puppies don't care.
They're really gobbling it up.
Yeah, they are really hungry. Oh,
Mhm.
man. That one put his paw in it. Which one did? That one.
I hear Flint.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was really crazy.
Mom, look how much ladybugs I got.
Whoa.
Okay, I meant the ball. I'm going to look for ladybugs for Kale.
Okay.
Does he really wants ladybugs? Hey, Puppas. Oh, look at that mess on them.
They made a big mess.
Mm-hmm.
They're eating every bit of their food, though.
Hey, make some more puppy chow. That puppy chow.
They'll have some later.
Because they're always hungry. Hey, Puppas. Hey, Puppas. Hey, Puppas. Gracious. No, you cannot eat the dough. You cannot eat the dough, Gracious. Gracious, you cannot eat the dough. Gracious, you cannot eat the dough.
She's not. She's trying to get in the house.
You can eat or not eat the puppies. Not eat the puppies. Gracious, do not eat the puppies.